Hello guys, welcome to Cynthia ELEWUWA TV. How are you guys doing? I hope you all are doing great. So guys, on today's video I'm just gonna do a no makeup tutorial. I'll be doing an everyday makeup tutorial, like a makeup you can basically wear everywhere, to school, to malls, to work, anywhere at all. Okay, and I hope you stay tuned and watch till the end. Without wasting your time, I'm just gonna dive into it and start immediately. Okay guys, so guys, today's makeup tutorial is for an everyday makeup you can wear to school, you can wear to work, you can wear to basically anywhere at all. So yeah, meaning there'll be no drama. There'll be no drama on the eyes and on the lips today, so everything is just gonna be like basic. All right guys, so as you can see, my face has already my face is already ready. I don't know, my face is ready. I've primed, foundationed, concealed, and contoured and baked my face, so everything is just set, and what is remaining is just my eyes and my lips. Okay guys, and of course the highlighter and blush. Anyway, so I'm gonna go in today with my Juvia's Place masquerade palette. This is the only palette I'm gonna be using today, so yes, and I'm gonna go right into the shade Burkina is this shade right here. This will be my transition shade, so I'm just gonna go into I've primed my eyes and I have set it with a setting powder, since I'm not using any eyeshadow base. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go in right here and just go all over my crease. Now you can see that it transitioned well. It's almost like my skin tone, so we are good. What you don't want to do is go in with a darker color or color that is not very close to your skin color. Maybe going into with purple or blue or any dramatic color. That is what you don't want to do. So you have to transition and then build. Anyway, I'm gonna go over to this one and do exactly the same thing. And I'm just gonna bring it up to my crease, and I'll blend and make sure it melts in just very close to my skin color, if you know what I mean. Okay, we have to blend. Blending is very important, very necessary for this look. Okay, you have to blend, really, Cynthia, really. Anyway, so guys, now we're gonna move into really, am I moving to a house? I'm gonna move on to the next shade, which is Zulu. This is Zulu, so I'm just gonna dab a little, just to give it, you know, a little more color, because we've transitioned and it's as if nothing happened there. Which is really good. So we're just gonna add in a little color to it, nothing dramatic guys. So we're just gonna go in and blend it in, and still bring it up onto my crease. So guys, Valentine's Day is over, and yeah, I guess everyone and everything is back to normal now. So how did you celebrate your vow? I would like to know at the comment section below. As for me, on Val's Day, I didn't go nowhere. Yeah, all I did was just sleep, because I really needed to sleep. I mean, the stress is too much and I couldn't afford to just stress myself out on the Valentine's Day. So my family and I, we stayed at home. I mean, of course, after dropping the kids to school and back. So that was how we spent our own. So how did you spend your Val's Day? I would like to know at the comment section below. How did you spend it with your loved one, your boo, your babe, your parents, your siblings? I would really love to know at the comment section below. Alright guys, and yes, how many of you tried out my classic makeup look for Valentine's Day? Did you try it out? I would also like to know. And how many of you got proposed on Valentine's Day? I can't wait to hear what you all have to say. Anyway guys, so we keep blending. Okay, we're still digging into Zulu. Yeah, so we just keep blending. Gonna keep blending. You gonna keep blending, blending, blending. Gonna keep blending. Oh my god guys, I'm not sure I can sing for anything, but who cares? So now that we've gotten that in, now it's time to do a little something for our for our lead. Okay, lead, I'm gonna go in with Casablanca here. This is Casablanca, so I'm just gonna dab it in, go in with it, and just go on my lid right here like this, just bringing it up a little bit and down, just like that. This shade is very pigmented guys, very pigmented. So I feel like it's more packed on this side than this side, so I'm gonna blend it in and make sure it looks, this one looks something like this side, because I don't want it to be too packed. Okay, so I'm gonna blend and blend. Guys, do share my videos, okay? If you like what I'm doing, if you like what you're seeing, please do share my videos. Yes, and I don't mind reviewing products, okay? If you have any product you want me to review, just send it to me and I will do a review on that product for you. Okay guys, that's why I'm here. I can do a review for you. Just contact me. My contact is down below, so you can just contact me and let's make a deal. Anyway guys, see what I'm saying? Now that I've blended it, it has come together. What I did was just use a brush. I used a brush, a clean brush actually, not a brush. What am I even saying? I just used a clean brush to just brush it off and spread it to the to the places I want, and that is basically what I did. See, right there. Now the next shade we're going to go into is that hair. This is the hair, so we're just going to take a little of that hair and just go on top like this. Now that made a difference. Now if you don't want the shimmery shade, you can just use your matte in these colors and you still achieve the same look. Now I'm just gonna clean it up going back to our transition shade, which is Burkina. This Burkina. So I'm just gonna go all over like this and clean so I don't get any shine on my crease. Done with my eyeshadow application, and I'm just gonna go in and line my lid. Nothing dramatic, no wings, just a normal basic lid lining. Now this is it. Using my Urban Decay Perversion mascara. As you can see, I'm gonna use it to do my lashes. I'm gonna get my under eyes done, and I'm gonna also go in with Burkina. I'm just gonna go in like this. Now going back in with Zulu. Go ahead and pop in the mask. There's a mascara. Oh God. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my false lashes. Now we are done with the lashes. I'm gonna go ahead with my eye pencil. I'm gonna go ahead and line my waterline. Now you see the difference. See, now that one has a darker shade and my eye is popping, while this one is just blank. And I'm gonna go ahead and define my lower lash using my Urban Decay Perversion mascara. Using my lip liner, I'm just gonna outline my lips. Okay guys, we are done. I'm lying. We can't be done. I mean, how can we be done like this? No. We can't be done. We can't be done. So I'm just gonna smudge it. Now I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal Paris peachy brown lipstick. This is it, and this is it. What in the world? Okay, I'm sure you can see it now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it right here. I'm also gonna apply this L'Oreal Paris Beige Sienna. Don't know if you're seeing it. Hold on. Beige Sienna. This is the shade. So I'm gonna apply it right on top of the peachy brown. I'll go ahead and apply my ball brush from Pharmacy. This is an oldie but goodie blush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and nothing too much, remember. I'm gonna go ahead and also apply my highlighter from Black Up. I'm just gonna go a little with this brush. I'm just gonna go over to my nose bridge, on my forehead, and on my chin. a little on my brow bone. I'm gonna finish up with my setting spray. So guys, we are done, and this is the final look. Now this is how you achieve an everyday makeup. This makeup is just for every day and every purpose. You're going to school, at work, at home, you know, just a basic slay. Just keep your face fresh and lit, you know. So yeah, this is the final look, guys. Everything is just fresh and beautiful and lit. See? So yeah, this is the end of this makeup tutorial, guys, and I hope you've learned one or two things, and I also hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Okay, share my videos if you find them interesting, like, comment, let me know how your Valentine's Day went. Let me know how you spent your Valentine's Day, and also let me know if you will be recreating this look. Okay, if it's something you would like to recreate. Anyway, this is the end, and I will see you guys on my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye. See you. Love you all. Mwah. Mwah.